Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you detailed insights into the latest gadgets and car electronics. Today, we're taking a closer look at the RAD1000 laser and radar detector for cars. A device designed to keep drivers informed about speed monitoring systems while reducing false alerts. The RAD1000 is equipped with advanced detection across multiple bands. This broad range coverage allows the device to pick up signals from a variety of radar and laser speed measurement systems, giving drivers an early warning to adjust speed and stay safe. One of the standout features of the RAD1000 is its advanced false alarm filtering, which minimizes unnecessary alerts caused by other vehicles' blind spot monitoring and collision avoidance systems. This makes it particularly useful for city driving where these systems are common. For those who drive in different environments, the RAD1000 offers multiple modes including city, highway, mute, and auto silent modes. This flexibility allows drivers to tailor the detector's sensitivity depending on traffic density, helping to reduce distractions from constant false alerts. The detector also boasts long-range quick response capabilities, meaning it can detect signals from a distance and provide timely alerts. Additionally, it communicates with your vehicle through audible signals, confirming your speed relative to detected radar or laser sources. Installation and usability are straightforward. The RAD1000 comes with a suction cup windshield mount, a 12-volt power cord, a car anti-skid pad, and a quick start guide. It is designed for easy mounting and can be operated without complicated setup, making it accessible for drivers of all experience levels. Once set up, the device remembers its settings even when the power is removed, thanks to its built-in memory, ensuring consistent performance every time you hit the road. Visually, this features an 8-segment LED display with band identification icons and a numeric signal strength meter. This bright and clear display helps drivers quickly recognize which type of signal has been detected, while automatically muting sustained alerts to avoid unnecessary noise. The device also reduces false alerts from common erroneous sources like automatic door openers or fixed traffic monitoring systems, providing a cleaner and more reliable detection experience. Powering this is simple with its corded 12-volt connection, suitable for most standard car power outlets. The lightweight design and compact dimensions make it easy to store or reposition as needed. And it comes packaged with everything necessary for immediate use, including a car anti-skid pad for added stability. Overall, this offers a comprehensive radar and laser detection solution for drivers who want advanced coverage, reduced false alarms, and user-friendly operation. With its multi-mode options, long-range detection, and bright LED display, it's built to provide peace of mind on the road while helping drivers avoid speed-related penalties. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're interested in a reliable radar detector with broadband detection and smart false alert filtering, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more in-depth gadget reviews.